Oh, hey kids, I see it just started to rain again, so let's put that umbrella down and get the plants into the rain. Okay, let's put this out here. Let's put the parsley out. Now, come on. Let's put it over there, and the oregano wants some water too. They were dying for some water. Here, and this poor plant. The basil. Ooh, it's raining, it's raining. What else can we put out? I think the aloe vera is quite moist. All the other plants too. I took some of the tomatoes and made some salad with it. They look good, more looking good tomatoes. Oh, it's raining, it's raining. And look at the potatoes. There are more little flowers coming. Let's see. Can't believe it's raining all the time. Let's see. Chloe and Perseus are probably sleeping. This is a garden update for Sunday, the day before Memorial Day. Bye bye.